Yak, sorry. Nagat.
Surprise nila!
As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment clean. So first, he picks up the can, open the bin, and drop it inside. Nice job, buddy. He picks up the crumpled paper, open the bin, and drop it inside. Now for the last one, he picks up the plastic cup, open the bin, and drop it inside. Nice job, buddy. Now see if the bird can do it. Why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash in your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to... That's right, godliness. Now Amigo, together with his fine-footed friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show! Alright, so hi everyone, good afternoon, welcome to Cebu Safari. So everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Jumbo?
Hello, Jumbo!
So macaws have very long tails and feathers that can grow up from 3 feet from its head to tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's 1, 2, last one. Good job, buddy. So as you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under their wings. But Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings?
Wings!
Again, everyone, say wings.
Wings!
So lastly, macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. They can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Miss Debbie here is a ground nut. She will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see what Jumbo will do. So Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. Good job, buddy. So just like I said earlier, now let's do a telephone ringing. How about whistle? Whistle? Now, Miss Donna, I think Lani and Rudy here loves to sing.
Yes, they love to sing, but
Mas klaro
before they
yung
sing,
song.
they need to have a warm-up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm-up. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now, for our first song. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than Again. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than Now, before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hands. Alright, now happy birthday. Now buddies, we have a lot of celebrants here. What will you do? Again.
Puro tiguang og tingog!
Last one.
Kaluoy ka doy! Uy, nauso na ay!
So round of applause to our mimicking birds here named More Memorable. We have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now my name is Dustin. We hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the wild. So if you want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have here official photographer's debut too. And for those who haven't been to White Lion Safari, Camel Area Birds of the World in African Savannah, just go up and turn to your left side, proceed to Orangutan area. That's the trunk stop for our key attractions inside. And if you want to witness our white Bengal tiger feeding 2:30 p.m., just go up and turn to your right side.